mbadi pedho bajet mari komenda mar ganero gi prario koda bich ganero gi prario koda uchiel kendo yango ni piny owacho dhi keto e tim bajet makamano kokalo choko osuru duto maromo shillings trillion 3.3 kaka yo madino fuok mar omenda maromo billion 923.2. Piny owacho dhi olo omenda maromo billion 591.8 e pachoka ka achiel gi billion 284 kowuok e pinje maoko.
The resultant fiscal deficit, including grants, is projected at 923.2 billion, which is equivalent to 4.8% of GDP, down from the estimated 997.5 billion or 5.7% of GDP in financial year 2024-25. The fiscal deficit for the financial year 25-26 budget will be financed by net external borrowing of 287.7 billion, equivalent to 1.5% of GDP, and net domestic borrowing of 635.5 billion, which is equivalent to 3.3% of GDP. Kenya's public debt is projected to remain with these sustainable levels over the medium term. In present value terms, the debt to GDP is projected to progressively decline from 63% in 2024 towards the debt anchor of 55% or minus 5% of GDP plus or minus 5% of GDP for 2028.